Hello everyone, my name is Steven. Thank you everyone for registering for my Prairie Math League. My Math League now has people from 6 provinces registered in it with over 1,000 participants. I've also have leaders in over 8 cities to help me run the Math League together. Last week was the 112th round, so today I invited a leader in Calgary, David, to give the solution to question 2 and 4 on the elementary school round. I hope you enjoy his solutions.
Hello, in this video we're going to be discussing the Prairie Math League Elementary School 1, round 112, questions 2 to 4. So, here on the paper for question 2, it says the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are placed 1 to a square in the diagram shown. The sum of the numbers in the row and in the column must each be 13. What is the number in the middle square? Okay, so first of all, we know that we need to pair up four of these numbers and have one of them in the middle, and therefore the two pairs that we make must be equal. So that means 3 and 5 cannot be the numbers in the middle, because you cannot make two equal pairs from the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 without 3 or 5. So, for example, if we put 3 in the middle, then we would be left with 2, 4, 5, and 6. These numbers cannot be made into two equal pairs because there's 3 even numbers and only one odd number. So therefore the number in the middle must be 2, 4, or 6. So if we put 2 in the middle and see what happens, the two pairs that can be made is 3, 6, and 4 and 5, which is equal to 9. So, for example, 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 11, which is short of 13. So, if we put 4 in the middle, then we get 2 and 6, 3 and 5, which is equal to 8. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. This is closer, but still not 13. Then we have 6. If we add 2 and 5 and 3 and 4, that equals to 7. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. This means that 6 works, and the answer is E. Okay, so the next question we will be discussing is question 4. A dog and a rabbit are 160 meters apart. The dog chases the rabbit. For every 9 meters that the dog runs, the rabbit jumps 6.5 meters. Find the distance in meters that the dog must travel in order to overtake the rabbit. So our first step here would be to turn this into an equation form. So we know that the dog, for every 9 meters, the rabbit travels 6.5 meters. So we can have 9x is equal to 6.5x. X representing the units in time that it takes for the dog to run 9 meters, or the rabbit to jump 6.5 meters. But we already know that the rabbit is 160 meters away from the dog, and that means that the dog must make up that 160 meters in order to catch up to the rabbit. So we have to add 160 to this equation. Now what we do is just isolate the variable x. So what we have to do is move 6.5x over to the left-hand side of this equation. So we have 9x minus 6.5x equal to 160. So from here, you can just calculate what 9 minus 6.5 is, which is 2.5, and multiply that by x, and have that equal to 160. Now, all we have to do to isolate x is divide both sides by 2.5, and we will have x is equal to 160 over 2.5. 160 over 2.5 is equal to 64. Therefore, the amount of units of time that it takes for the dog to catch up to the rabbit is equal to 64. But this does not give us the distance. The formula for calculating the distance is to find the units in speed and multiply that by the units of time. Now the units of time is 64 and the unit of speed is 9. So we can just substitute our values in. So we have equals to 9 multiplied by 64, which is equal to 576. And that's how fast the dog has to move in order to catch up to the rabbit. 576 meters. So therefore, the answer is 576D.